Kgeotag. The value of this application isn't apparent straight away, but it allows you to either change or delete some unwanted information that may be present on every single photograph you take on your smartphone. Many smartphones include such information, sometimes without the user's knowledge, but sometimes, like for instance, you're going to start up an application on your phone and it says, do you want to allow location, etc. And a lot of people, and I've done it myself, you'll press yes without thinking twice. But every time you take a photograph, it will record exactly where you are and when you were there, as well as a whole host of other information which actually may be useful. The problem arises is that if you upload your photograph to the internet or social media and the image is, shall we say, of something valuable, it may tempt some nefarious people to pay you a visit. I'm not saying that's what will happen, but you never know. It's always best to be certain. So, I'll show you an example of what this program can do and indeed what this program can show. So I've got a folder with, usually it's entitled photographs, and there's 3 photographs which I've acquired. And they contain all the EXIF information you could want. And there's fairly, nondescript bunch of information there. Aperture, exposure, etc. It's all very, very nice. If you click on details, you can see there's GPS data, which is not so nice. It will give you the longitude and latitude of where you were at the time you took the picture. But that's still numbers. It's always good to see if you can see it in a more graphical format. So what we will do is, we'll just close that down. You can either drag all the pictures you wish to process into Kgeotag or individually. And if an image has the information which you want to edit, then it will appear in that pane there. And if it doesn't, it will be in that one. So it's put it into the left one with the assigned images, and you can drag them both together like that, saves time. So they both appeared there. Right, so that's in England, Germany, and there's London Bridge, not. And Turkey, Bodrum. So we know where they are. Clicking on the image, and the first one will tell us that's exactly where it is. Look, it's pinpointing on the map. There's London Bridge. And fascinatingly, it gives you an almost exact location. Look, the image is on the riverbank looking at an angle, and there it is. So it's quite accurate. The second image is Bodrum in Turkey. And again, the image pops up. The other ones also appear on there if you have more than one image in the pane. But we'll look at one at a time. So the Bodrum one in Turkey, again, it's not looking out that side. It's not looking to the sea there. So it's not looking over empty countryside into the sea, but instead it's looking over there, over a small town into the coastline there. So yeah, again, it's accurate. And this other one in English Garden in Germany. Again, there's the, if we can just settle it up, there's the image, and I think we're looking forward to where the waterfall is. I think that's a waterfall, I'm not quite sure. Probably not. But even so, it's still accurate. Now, you can remove the coordinates, and once you do that, the image will go into the other assigned pane. And what we'll do is, if you look on the actual map itself, the small image of the photograph has gone. So we could upload this to the internet quite safely. Very nice indeed. This is one of them programs that you don't know you need until you need it.